Another JJ Fad production.
Foxy, classy, sexy, sassy. Miss Congeniality. Miss Congeniality. Miss Congeniality. Living in 182. Got a lot of clothes and a little bit of shoes. Got two sisters, a mom and a dad. Wanna go to movies, but I can't, so I'm sad. Clothes from washing machine to the dryer. I guess I'll do it, it'll make me flyer. The clothes are clean, my swag is me. Oh God, I messed up. Yeah, okay. Miss Congeniality. Miss Congeniality. Yeah. Uh, uh, a yellow shirt, dirt on my shoes. Gotta go to the store and buy some more clues. Alright. Glove on my hand, in the sand, on the beach. I'm going to reach for a pail so I can make a castle, white castle, white castle. Some onion rings, Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's, Checkers, fries. Yeah, 'cause they be salty, but they good. They good in the hood. Yeah. uh, uh, mm. Got a bumblebee on my hat. Don't know what it means. All I know is that I'm gonna scream when I walk up in the summertime. Bees fly around. All I can do is duck to the ground. Wear sandals outside, shorts too. Wanna go to the store and buy a juice 'cause I'm thirsty and it's hot outside. I'm gonna go get in the car for a ride over to Cold Stone 'cause I like ice cream. Mm.